Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Priyanka Kashik from Department of Chemistry, SSGM College, Kopargaon. Today we will start the sixth chapter, Protection of Plants in the Agricultural Chemistry. In that chapter, pesticide is the first point. Many times ask the question in examination on the pesticides. Pesticides, what is mean by pesticides? First we will see in the definition of pesticide is any agent that has capacity to kill or prevent pests from its attack. Example DDT, BSC, etc. Chemical used for stimulation or retarding the growth of plants, for removal of leaves, for desiccating plants, for repelling insects, for attracting insects, and for sterilizing insects are also included among the pesticides. Then we will see in the groups of pesticides. First group is ascaricides. First is ascaricides. It is used for the control of mites, ticks, means the blood sucking parasites. Then algicides, it is used for destruction of algae and other aquatic vegetation. Then herbicides, it is the substance which destroy or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. Then antiseptics, production of non-metals from microorganisms. Then bactericides, it is used to control of bacteria and bacterial diseases. Then fungicides, it is used to control of plant diseases caused by various fungi. Example Bordeaux mixture. Then herbicides, it is used to control weeds. Example sulfonyl, urea, paraquat, dalpon, etc. Then insecticides, control of harmful insects. Example DDT, BSC, aldrin, malathion, etc. Then second last is limicides or molluscides, control mollusks including gastropods, etc. Then nematocides and zoocides. Nematocides controls of nematodes, worm like creatures, and zoocides control the rodents and other animals. Then let us see the classification of pesticides. There are two classes of pesticides. First one is natural control and second one is applied control. In a natural control, it involves the interplay of factors in a non-manipulatable environment. These species can survive only under one or two climatic zones, natural pests and predators. In indigenous bacterial, fungal, and viral diseases of the various pests, periodically check the population levels. Applied control is the second class. In that class, there are four sub classes. Mechanical and physical measurements aim at controlling pests and diseases through catching them in traps and killing them manually, protecting the tree by tree banding or by special equipments like electrical fences, cutting and burning of diseased plant, flooding the field to provide unfavorable anaerobic conditions to fungi and pests, or providing light for the control of pests and diseases. Then second subclass is cultural pesticides. It controls pests and diseases including plowing and exposing the soil to sunshine and natural enemies to kill various pests and organisms. Crops rotation varying the time of planting, harvesting, and carrying out other cultural operations so that the susceptible period of crop is over by the time the pest or dislike attack. Application of fertilizers and manure to the crop to give sufficient vigor to withstand the onslaught of pest diseases. Then biological control is the next subclass of pest, involves the introduction, encouragement, or artificial increases of natural enemies of insects, and pests include both insects, parasites, and insect predators, and microbes pathogenic to pests and diseases. Then chemical control. Pest can be controlled by use chemicals. A chemical to be used for the pest control cannot be merely any toxic substance that can kill pest and other diseases. Many factors like phototoxicity, effect of pesticides on animals, pollutions effect, degree of persistence of resistance, residue of chemical on crop have also to be considered while selecting any chemical for use. Then the then classification of insecticides. It is according to the mode of action. Insecticides classify in the four classes: stomach or internal insecticides, contact or external fumigants, attractants, and repellents. Then we will see in detail stomach or internal insecticides. Those insecticides which are eaten by insects are known as stomach insecticides. These insecticides are generally applied against insects with chewing mouthparts, example arsonists, which control pests like eelworm and spider mites. These insecticides are applied to that part of the crop which serves as a food for the pest and ingested in the normal processes of eating. Then second class is contact or external insecticides. Those insecticides which kill insects by means of external contact are known as contact insecticides. These many penetrate the blood directly through the spiracles of the respiratory system into the tract and kill the pest. These are naturally occurring compounds like nicotine, pyrethrum, and rotenone, or synthetic organic compounds like BSC, DDT, and parathion, or mixture of compounds from either one or both groups. They are soluble in a plant, insect oil, waxes, and also animal fats. Their reaction may be due to transport from outside to the site of action. Second point is the primary processes or action wherein the insecticide enter usually inhibits the enzymes, then subsequent secondary processes or action. Then second point is the primary processes or action wherein the insecticide enter usually inhibits the enzyme, and third one is subsequent secondary processes or action on the protein interaction on nervous, respiratory, or the other system involving the bacterial effects on the pest. When contact poison is instantaneous in their action, it is called knockdown. Many of them are also stomach poison. Example BSC, DDT, nicotine preparation, sulfur, toxaphene, chlordane, dieldrin, aldrin. pyrethrum oil emulsion, rotenone, thiocyanate, TEPP, preparation, and sync stocks. Then we will next class is fumigants. Those insecticides which exerts their action in the gaseous state are known as fumigants. Some of them are applied directly as gases in contrast to some fumigants such as liquid nicotine or solid naphthalene which operate against the pest in the vapor phase. They are applied to plants or products in enclosed spaces or in other tight enclosures such as greenhouses, bushes, or tree under tents. They are volatile chemical which evaporate at room temperature, and their fumes enter the insect body through spiracles or tracheae and act upon the nervous and circulatory system. Example: liquid nicotine, naphthalene, hydrocyanic acid, carbon disulfide, chlorospirine, and methyl bromide, methyl allyl chloride, ethylene hydroxide, etc. They are effective against nearly all the insect, irrespective of type of mouth parts. They are also effective against weevils, termites, scale insects, nematodes, and other soils infecting insects, animal or microorganisms. Fumigants are poisonous and toxic to all warm-blooded animals. When volatile substances like chloropicrine (DD) means dichloropropene, dichloropropane are used as a fumigants, the soil may have to be covered with a canvas sheet to prevent the escape of vapor from the soil. They cause burn in contact with the skin and are highly toxic in nature. Then we will see the attractants. Attractants, these are the chemical substance which attracts insects by olfactory stimulation, such as attraction occurs in nature in the response of insects to odor from foods as attractants and from prey. Example: Japanese beetle adults have been trapped by an attractant mixture of 9 parts of geranol and 1 part of eugenol. Then next one is repellents. Repellents means these are the mildly poisonous or only offensive insecticides which makes the food for living conditions unattractive for insects. Repellents are generally employed when it is not possible to use an insecticides and may offer a greater degree of product protection to growing plants or the bodies of animal or man. Example: mosquito repellent cream, mosquito coils, mothballs or flakes, tablets for protecting stored grain, and smoke generators. Then the insecticide is classified again on the basis of chemical nature and source of supply. These are the inorganic synthetic insecticides, naturally occurring insecticides, and synthetic organic insecticides. Inorganic insecticides are generally act as a stomach poison. Some important inorganic insecticides are as follows: lead arsenate. There are 4 types subpoints: lead arsenate, calcium arsenates, Paris green, and fluorides. Lead arsenate, it was widely used for the control of the coding mouth, many other chewing insects. It is still employed for cotton insects. It is manufactured from letharge, PB lead oxide. It is very fluffy pink powder. In a strong alkaline water, it undergoes following reaction which a production plant burn. Then calcium arsenide, it is a white sparingly soluble substance. It contains 40% arsenic oxide. The phytological effect is diminished by addition of zinc oxide or zinc sulfate. They get decomposed easily after application to plant surfaces. On hydrolysis, it gives H2SO4. The reaction con- continues on plant surface till the aqueous phase completely evaporate. They act by inhibiting enzymes containing the sulfadryl coagulates proteins. And the use of calcium arsenate is employed for a certain cotton insects and codling moth controls. Then the next subclass in the inorganic insecticides, Paris green. It is a copper acetoarsenate. It forms a heavy powder settling in a water unless well agitated. It is removed rapidly from foliage by weathering. It is decomposed by water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. It is generally used as a dust powder. It can be mixed with borax mixture but not with a lime sulfur. It is used against codling moth, potato beetles and surface feeding leaves. Then fluorides is the also subpoint in inorganic insecticides. They are highly toxic in a nature and used as a dust. Then in a synthetic naturally occurring insecticides, some plants materials have been most widely used as a insecticides. The roots, stems, leaves or flowers are first dried and then finally ground. These are used as such or sometimes the essential oil extracted from plants are used as attractants or repellents. The important natural insecticides are as follows. First one is nicotinoids. Uh, Nicotinoids is the extracted from tobacco leaves. The content of nicotine in a tobacco leaf varies from 0.5% in a blend. Variation is high as 15% some algae sample, and the average range is 2 to 3% nicotine in present in all stages and all the parts of tobacco plant. Then its properties are pure nicotine is a colorless, nearly odorless liquid. Alkaloids boiling at 247.3 degrees Celsius. Specific gravity is 1.0093 and it is soluble in water, and it is also soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform, petroleum, and it is 5 to 7 times as a toxic as a nicotine sulfate and hydrochloride. And nicotine is used, it is used as a contact insecticides and act as a fumigant when applied in the form of spray or dust. It paralyzes the nervous system of the insects and causes of convulsions on the death. Let us see the structure of nicotinoids. It is the structure of nicotinoids. It is also asked in the examination. Then uh, we will see the pyrethroids. Pyrethrum or pyrethroids. Pyrethrum is the extracted from the ground flowers of carbon, oncinium, and certain plants of Christans Demuans family. It has been used for the control of harmful insects for many centuries. Dust concentration and are made from concentrated pyrethrum extracted with non-volatile solvent and suitable absorbent, and then diluted before use with an inert dilution. Antioxidants such as tannic acid, hydroquinone are used to stabilize this preparation. And use of pyrethrum act as a contact poison and a knockdown effect on either nerve or muscles of insects like cockroaches, resulting in a muscular excitation, convulsion, and paralysis. It is widely used to control aphids, jassids, and household insects. It is non-toxic to mammals and non-injurious to plant. Insecticidal activity of pyrethrum is reduced by 49% and 68%. The sur- when treated surfaces are exposed to sun lamp for 10 minutes and to air and sunshine for 5 hours. The finer the powder, the more rapid is its action on insects. The insecticidal activity of pyrethrum is associated with 5 esters: pyrethrum first, second, cineres first and second. Let us see the structure of pyrethrum. CH3 carbon, then alkyl group, double bond, CH, C carbon, hydrogen is also attached, carbon, then again two CH3 molecules, CH, then C double bond O, oxygen, it is a single bond, then double bond O, again one alkyl group, and there is CH3. This is the structure of pyrethrum. It is also asked in the exam. Then last one is rotinoids. They are colloquially rat poison intended to kill rodents. Rotenone is a crystalline substance extracted from finely ground plant material, ether or chloroform solvents. It is present along with other rotinoids compounds or lesser activity. It can be mixed directly with a mineral CCl4. It is insoluble in a water is the property, and it the colorless solution of rotenone in organic solvent becomes successively yellow, orange, and finally deep red when exposed to light and air, result of oxidation. And the use of protenoids is act as the contact insecticides and as a stomach poison. It exerts its activity by blocking oxidative phosphorylation. It is used to control the aphid, thrips, and caterpillars affecting the vegetable crops. It is the naturally occurring insecticides. There are 3 points are finished. Then synthetic organic insecticides. There are 4 subclasses. Uh, then we will see in detail in the next video lecture. Thank you for watching the video.